Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. You are seeing my rain lilies which are in bloom. I have 4 varieties of rain lilies, that this dark yellow and this cream one and the pink one and the white one. White one only two have bloomed, some buds you can see. The pink one has pink and the cream one has more blooms. They are called rain lilies because they start growing once the first rain falls. Because if you keep the rain lilies in the ground, most probably you will lose. They will lose all the leaves, and the bulb will be secure inside the ground. Once the rain comes, the first rain falls on them, they will start growing and the leaves will appear, and in 1 month time the flowers will also appear. These plants are kept in pots. So what I do is I water them very not in regularly. I water now and then, but then they will have all the leaves. They won't lose any leaves when they are in the pot. But still to bloom, for blooming, they need the rainwater to fall on them. Only when the rainwater comes, the buds will appear and flowers will come. And regarding the care of the rain lilies, they don't need much care. They are not special. You have to take care of them. They are very easy to care plants. If you buy bulbs from the nursery, you just put it in a good drainage soil you put, because they are bulbs, no. So the water is there, waterlogging is there, bulbs may get spoiled. So you have to keep the bulbs in good drainage soil, then they will start growing. Even if you buy the bulbs from the market, if you are planting in a pot, you can plant it and keep in a shaded area. Once the rain start coming, the leaves will start appear. Then only you should add more water to it, or you can keep the plants in the outside rain. Here also it started raining, and the bulbs are the propagation is through bulbs only. But this yellow variety produces seeds. What you are seeing here is a seed. So here you have, I can show you. This is a seed. This is a seed of the yellow variety. See this thing you are seeing, inside this black color seeds will be there. From this also plant will come. You can see small plants are there. Whatever seeds are developing in this thing, I put inside, because this yellow plant I have brought one plant. In 2 years, it took 2 years for me to bring it into this level. So whichever seeds are coming, I put in this same pot itself, so that to make it big. This yellow variety takes more time to develop. The other ones will grow fast. They have filled the pot. That also I bought as a one plant only, but they have filled nicely. But this yellow variety, this white variety also filled the pot. But the yellow variety takes too much time to fill the pot. Then fertilizer, if you are buying the bulb, when you plant itself, you can add organic fertilizer and plant it. Then later, I don't put any. Here now my bulbs are in the pot only. So just when the rain comes, it started growing, no? Then I add seaweed fertilizer granules to it. So that is organic only. So later I don't add any fertilizer for this plant. Once I have planted in these pots, they are there. Only once in a year, whenever the rain starts, I'll add this fertilizer. Otherwise, they are in this pot. See the yellow color? Hope you like this video about rain lily. If you like the video, press the like button. Thank you for watching.